Hello guys, this is how to receive Bitcoin in your Luno account. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to log into the Luno home page and you're going to click on home and then you're going to go ahead and click on more and then click on receive. And then once you click on receive, you're going to click the wallet. You're going to go ahead and create the wallet. So you can give it any name that you want, depending on what you want the money for, or you can just get creative with it. Um, go ahead and name it Engine Wallet. Um, yeah. So this is good when you want to receive money from someone, but you don't want to get paid in cash. You'd rather be paid in Bitcoin. This is the process that you follow. So once you create the name, you go ahead and create. So you can take a screenshot of that and your friend can scan the QR code. Alternatively, a lot of people like to copy the address there at the bottom there, the wallet address. So you go ahead and go copy it. And then what you can go ahead and do is you can open up your email, can compose an email to your friend to send it to them. So click on compose, and then you say, let's say your friend's email address is as so, and then just write a subject in there. Once you're done, you got a subject, and then you can just write dear friend. Then um you can copy the address. Uh, and then say regards, and then you put your name there, whatever. Then you can go ahead and send it. Go ahead and send it, and then your friend should get that that wallet address right there, and then he's gonna go ahead and put it in his Luno account, and he's gonna click on send and input that right there. And but alternatively, you can also get that option when you click on the wallets, then you click on more, then you're gonna see receive there and follow a similar process as when we were on the homepage. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.